In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account safely and without losing your content. Whether you're transitioning the channel to a new owner, switching emails, or separating personal and professional content, this tutorial will help you navigate the process smoothly. I saw videos by creators like Kevin Stratford, Knowledge Base, and Neil Mossy. Those are great content, no doubt. However, I noticed they missed some crucial steps, and I'll cover these and more. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added useful resources there for you too. Stay with me until the end to discover how to remove the original owner after taking control of the channel. Now, let's get started on how to transfer your YouTube channel. Before you can transfer a YouTube channel to another Google account, you need to first identify whether your YouTube channel is linked to a personal Google account or a brand account. A personal account is directly tied to a single Google user and cannot have multiple managers, while a brand account is a separate identity that can be managed by multiple Google accounts. The reason is to know if your channel can be transferred by simply assigning a new owner, which is only possible with brand accounts. If it's a personal account, you'll need to convert it to a brand account first before you can transfer ownership. To identify this, sign into YouTube, click on your profile picture, and select Settings. Under Account, if you see Add or Remove Managers, your channel is a brand account. If not, it's a personal account. If your channel is linked to a personal account, you'll need to convert it to a brand account to facilitate the transfer. Here's how. In Settings, go to Advanced Settings and click on Move Channel to Brand Account. Follow the prompts to create a new brand account and move your channel there. You may want to check out our dedicated video about creating a brand account, link in the description. Be aware that this process may result in the loss of certain data, such as comments and messages. Once your channel is converted to a brand account, you can add the new Google account as a manager of the brand. To do this, in Settings, locate the Channel Managers sections and click on Add or Remove Managers next to it. Then under Users, click on the Manage Permissions button. Google may require you to verify it's your account. After confirming, click the Manage Permissions button again. From the pop-up, click the Invite New Users icon at the top right. Enter the email address of the new Google account and assign the role of owner, then click Invite. The invited user will receive an email to accept the invitation. After the new Google account owner, who must have been the owner for at least 7 days, has accepted the invitation, you can transfer primary ownership. Primary ownership means that the person has full control over the YouTube channel and its associated brand account, including the ability to manage permissions, delete the account, and make major changes. To do this, return to Manage Permissions, click on the drop-down next to the new owner's name, and select Primary Owner, then confirm the transfer. Remember, only one primary owner is allowed per channel. As the new primary owner, you can remove the original owner from the channel if desired. Here's how. In Manage Permissions, click on the X next to the original owner's name and confirm the removal. Ensure that the new primary owner has full access before doing this. Before we wrap up, keep in mind that this process works the same whether you're using a computer or a mobile device like an iPhone or Android. However, for better control and fewer limitations, I always recommend doing it on a computer. Some settings might not show properly on mobile. To explore more YouTube video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.